Hey, Ryan Schulze with Oregon Outdoor Lighting. I worked actually with John and Priscilla DaCosta on this house. You know, they want to buy and sell, and they said, what can we do to make this look wow? We want wow. We saw your website, that's what we want. So that's what we're doing. You're gonna follow me along and let's take a look. For the garage doors, they have eave lights in the top, nothing else. So what we did, the well lights again, obviously my favorite light, we put them flush on each brick pillar and then give you the brickwork lit from the ground up. Transition from the garage up to the front door. In between that, there's this little tiny pocket in between the garage and the front door that is just a little dark hole, and they wanted that addressed. So I used wall washers along the ground on the side all the way to the back corner, showing the brickwork just to get rid of that dark hole. Also on top of the garage, there's 3 peaks. So I put the lights in the gutter showing the peaks. So it continues to match with the large peak by the front door. So we have the lights at the ground shooting up, and which is actually really cool, and I'll show you this, we changed the optic of the light. So I did more of a narrow degree spread so I can really get the height of that peak. And then I always have to have a kicker in every job, right? So here's your kicker. The archway, when you walk up to the front door, the brick is like inset in different levels. And if I just put a spotlight at the base of that, I'm not gonna show the depth of the arch. So we did our well lights. We put them flush, and I did 2 sections of them, that one's closer and then one's farther away. That gives you the full look of that arch all the way across. That would have definitely got missed, and they wanted wow, so that's what we're doing. So also, there's 2 sections of large concrete stairs. So we did our P10 path lights, and we actually used an extended stake on them. You can see over here, we did a longer stake, so I can actually shoot across the stairs more. So safety when they're walking out, I don't want a trip hazard, so that's what we did. Let's go to the back and check this out. So what John DaCosta really wanted was, he wanted to override on his system to where he has that option to where if he wants it to come on at dusk, or if he wants it to turn off at 10 o'clock if he's going to bed early, or if he's having a party and staying up late, he can have that override. So we actually interlock the system to his phone, so he can just click off when he wants or turn on when he wants. It will come on automatically at dusk every night and turn off, I think, at dawn. But if he wants that override, he just click of a button on your app on your phone and you're in business. Okay, so for the backyard, we're on the back patio here, and there's windows all along in the back showing their patio, from the kitchen to their living room to their dining room. This is all you see looking out. So I showed major features of trees all along the back to really help bring out this area so you can enjoy it every night, year round, from inside your home. Jeff's behind me right now, and we have the fire pit. So when they hang out in their fire pit behind you here, they're looking out this way towards the home. So the way we have the trees lit is you actually see this glow of trees lit with the home. It's a very unique look when you're looking back from the fire pit this way. You know, help stretch out the yard, and that was our plan. So thank you once again to John and Priscilla DaCosta for giving us the opportunity to really show wow on their property. We really appreciate it. Until next time, I gotta bounce.